Hey, it's Matt. You know, when you get into this bushcrafting and outdoor camping and hiking stuff, it's actually pretty cool. But then you start watching YouTube and you start watching other people's videos and you start collecting different things that they have, and you wind up getting 4 backpacks and 3 stoves and 8 cook kits and 16 knives and you wind up getting multiples of stuff. So I looked around my garage and I realized that I had multiples of things, multiple fire kits, multiple cooking kits, multiple backpacks. So I said, I want to go out for a hike, or I want to go out for a day, or I want to go out for a 3-dayer. What do I bring? Now you got so many items, it's hard to choose from. Like, you go out, are you going to bring the Stanley Adventure Series, or are you going to bring the good old canteen cup? You know, which one are you going to bring? You're going to bring this paracord, or you're going to bring this paracord. You're going to bring the plastic stakes, or you're going to bring the metal stakes. Which one are you going to bring? So I decided that I was going to narrow down my stuff to 3 levels of kits. Okay, I want a level 1 kit, level 2 kit, level 3 kit. The level 1 kit is going to be if I'm going out hiking and kicking around and just totally exploring for a couple of hours. I'm going to call that my level 1 kit. And I'm going to show that to you in a few minutes. But that's going to be my level 1 kit. And it's going to be outfitted with enough stuff to where if I got caught or I had an emergency, that I could stay overnight. It's not going to be a very comfortable night, but I could stay overnight. My level 2 kit is going to have enough stuff to where I can go out for an entire day. I mean, I can have enough food and water and everything else for a whole day, not a couple hours, whole day. And if I had to or I wanted to, I could stay overnight fairly comfortably. Okay, that's the level 2 kit. Okay, the next one is going to be my level 3 kit, and that's what I'm going to call my heavy kit. That's going to be built around my medium Alice pack, and that's for a 2 or 3-dayer. That's going to have multiple waters and multiple fires and a tent and everything else. So I'm gonna outfit 3 levels of kits, and you're gonna see all of those 3 levels of kits in the coming video. But right now, I'm gonna show you what my level 1 kit is, and that's the kit that I'm gonna take out if I go hiking for a couple of hours. So here it is. Tell me what you think. Okay, what you just saw is this. This is my standard hiking kit, and you've seen it before. You know, on my survival hiking kit, version 1, version 2, whatever. I'll see if I can put a card to it up in the upper right-hand corner, but this thing has gone through literally 100 changes. Here's where it is now, and I'm calling this my level 1 kit. And this kit is mainly for hiking, exploring. If you had an emergency, you could stay overnight. It's not going to be very comfortable staying overnight, but you could stay overnight, and I'll explain to you why. First of all, we're going to start from the left side of the kit. Here's my fire kit, and it's in one of these little 80s cell phone pouch things, and this is my Altoids 10 fire kit, and I'm going to do a little review on my Altoids 10 fire kit. Here's my old Buck Special 119 in this nice leather sheath, and on here I got a piece of fat wood and I got my ferro rod. So I got fire in this pouch, and this is the old Condor general purpose GP pouch. In here is the Outdoor Products 5x7 tarp, a large contractor bag, and about 50 feet of paracord. And it's not full by any means. I could stuff some more stuff in there. In here, I got my good old canteen kit with my canteen plus my canteen cup and stove in the bottom. I got a pack of matches here, so I got redundancy with my fire kit. In here, I got my food for the day. I got a couple of things of Lipton cup of soup and some coffee, and a couple of packs of butter grits, because, you know, Southern boy can't go without his grits. Here, I got my trusty old 45. This is the Metro Arms Firestorm 45, and is particularly awesome. And here, I got another cell phone pouch, which fits perfectly one of those space blankets. So this is my level 1 kit, and it's my go-to kit that I carry when I want to come out and I want to come hiking to try to find different things like I did today. And this is going to be my level 1 kit. I see a lot of kits, belt kits and stuff on YouTube, and guys put these humongous pouches on their belt kit, and then they got to use the suspenders and everything else. And this, if you got to use the suspenders on this, you might as well carry a backpack. I mean, there's no real difference between this with bigger pouches and suspenders and a backpack. So here's my level 1 hiking survival kit. Level 2 and level 3 are to come. And once again, if you like this video, give me a like and give me a thumbs up. Okay, that was my level 1 kit. If I'm going to go hiking for a couple hours, I'm going to take my good old Alice belt, and that kit includes easily the 5 C's, and I'm going to put a card right up here, and I'm going to show you the 5 C's that were in that Alice belt. But that's easily got at a minimum the 5 C's, and I could go out and I could stay overnight. It's not going to be a very comfortable night, but I could stay overnight with that kit. That's meant for just a hiking, exploring kit. It's got everything that I need for at least a good few 4 or 5 hours. It's not meant to be a day kit. That's just my hiking kit, and that's my go-to hiking kit. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me see what your basic hiking kits are. I would be really curious to find out what everybody else uses if they're just going to go out for a hike for a couple hours. And let me know what you think. So once again, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I'll see you on the trail.